Hello, my dear students. Today you will use Jamboard. Let me show you how to work on it. Here you can see pages, first, second, and third. There are 3 pages. Each group has 1 page, and here you can see your names. It means that these people work together. Find your name here, here, and here. You will work together in one team. You should look at the picture and write in present continuous tense what these people are doing. For example, the boy is climbing tree. Here you can see that the boy is climbing tree, and I wrote here that the boy is climbing the tree. Let me show you how to write this. Here you can see создать sticker. You should click on it. Click, and here you can write the boy is climbing the tree. Сохранить, and just click here, somewhere here, and your answer is here. You can just take it with the mouse and move everywhere. You can move here, here. Then you can just show me what action you are talking about. Here is the pen or crayon. You can click on it and use this crayon or pen and show me. Okay? If it's wrong, you can just click this, отменить, or delete. Click here, delete, you can delete it. If you understand, you can work on it. Your pages are here. You see that is cooking. Birds are flying. Work together. If you have any questions, write me. I will answer your questions. Good luck.